Doo-doo-doo-pop.
Mapping sound through movement using web technologies. The project explores web technologies through the creation of an installation that allows participants to control sound through movement. This is achieved by making use of poseNet, a machine learning model that allows for real-time pose estimation in the browser. As a pose is detected per frame, data can be extracted from it. A pose is composed of 17 key points, each mapping to a part or joint in the body. Key point data holds values such as X and Y coordinates that can be used to implement visual representations of detected bodies and control audio aspects. Initially, a still image was fed to the model and points were drawn on a canvas. Subsequent iterations included the drawing of a skeleton using P5.js, as well as the development of a user interface that allows some aspects of configuration to be changed after building the application. User testing informed further developments. Ultimately, two modes were developed for audio. The first one being akin to the theremin, changing the frequency of a note as the participant moves across the frame. The second mode makes use of tone.js to create an array of synthesizers, each representing an instrument, including a membrane, bass, and keys. The prototype can be accessed at demo.csalmeida.com/poseNet or by using the QR code on the screen.